Hello everyone. So today we'll be talking about an app called as Mentimeter. So let's begin. First thing you need to do is go to Google, type Mentimeter, and we'll reach us. What is Mentimeter? It's the tech tool uh, which helps you to create presentation with real-time feedback. You can see here it's mentioned on the company website also. It's the tech tool which helps you in interacting with your audience using real-time voting. And for this, something very specific, your audience does not need any type of installation or any sort of download. So let's begin. Let's understand what exactly is Mentimeter. You reach on to the Mentimeter site, this is the page. So if somebody else is presenting and you are part of audience, the site will have the respective code. You will have to enter the code and you will join the Mentimeter and you can vote for the respective questions. So if you are new to it, you will have to sign up. You will click on it and you will fill respective details. Now I have already signed in, so what you can do is you can directly log in using your Google account, and here we are. So you can see this is my Google account. I'm ready with Mentimeter. I've logged in. You can see this is the page where we'll reach the moment we log in. You have three options here: branding and color, inspiration, and my presentation. My presentation is the place where you will see all of your presentation which you have created. Inspiration is the page where you can get the inspiration from across the world, people who have already made Mentimeters, the format, the layouts you can use. You can see teachers and students have also used, and you can get all of them. You can add to your own presentation also. There are some fun competition also which you can use it. You can also use the Mentimeter for branding and colors. There are many options available for the setting. We will talk about some of them, right? And when you go on to the right side, so I'll click again on it, and when you go on to the right side, you have option of upgrade here. The moment you click on it, you can upgrade to the paid version. Right now we are into the free version. I'm going to talk about free version. You can see in free version you have up to uh, two question slides and up to five quiz slides you can create. I'll help you out with how to use it multiple times, even if you don't want to pay for it. And if you want to, if you are if you like it and you want to go ahead with the paid version, you can do so. So let's go ahead now. On top you will also observe that apart from this, now we'll come on to my presentation space, the place where all my presentations are available. You can see after that there is a question for a question mark which helps you in understanding any issue related to Mentimeter. There's a video also available how to you can understand all the issues related to Mentimeter. All the help you need is available. Usually for all the apps it is available, but this video is giving you a guidance about how to go ahead with the Mentimeter app. This is the place where you will have your own basic details, subscription payment, your team if you have a team setting, and you can see star mark. These are for the paid version. So let's begin. We can start with a new presentation. I will begin with it. Let's give some name to it. I'll call it as Ed Tech Tools for Teachers. So I'm going to call it a tech tool for teachers. So let's create a presentation. Because this is specifically for teachers, I'm doing this video. Hope you guys will learn something new from this video, and let's try and understand how Mentimeter works. So when you click on the new slide, new presentation, this is what you will see. You can create maximum two slides in the free version, and in the first slide only, when you can observe, you have option of multiple choice, word cloud, open-ended, scales, ranking, and question answers. So let's pick multiple choice question, and you can type whatever question you want to type here. Team uh, is the winner of maximum IPLs trophies. So IPL is hot topic right now. It's in demand. Okay. So we have three options, and let's begin. Yeah, KKR is there, Kolkata Knight Riders. So we have these options. You can see the moment we have added question, you will when you click on the present, you will observe that this becomes a full screen, and your participants will have to log in via using menti.com and using this code, whichever code you will create. So in this you can add multiple options if you want to add, and there are different layouts for the responses also. You want to see the responses in bars, in the donut shape, pie chart, or in the dots form. Do you want to show the correct answer? Do you want to show the result in percentages? Do you want the participant to respond multiple times? So we'll see that also. And each participant can select how many options. You can give a thought on that, right? And so here we go again. So this was the first question. So as we have discussed, this is the first type. Now when we say type, this is the question which we have created. I'll be responding on this slide with my mobile phone also. I'll be showing you. The second one is word cloud, but right now we will select this one. I guess our questions were ready, so I'll go to the next slide. I've added slide, and there I'll go for the word cloud. This is very interesting here. In this we'll add some other question related to IPL. So you can ask participants to fill out the details, and you can see this could be open-ended question. It could be terms related to IPL, terms related to okay, I'll limit myself to IPL itself, right? And you can allow how many entries can be done by every participants. Do you want participants to respond multiple times? Yes, no, that depends on you. And right now I'm going to do that so that I could respond with my own mobile phones. Now we can also customize the layout. We can close the voting as and when we want. Can hide the instruction bar if you don't want that. We can hide the result which you don't want to show it to your participants. And these are some more options which are available in the paid version. So let's understand. These are some of the examples available. Some themes, you can change the colors as per the requirement. So I'm making it a dark color. So you can see some themes are available which are in the pro options available only. So you can see the theme has become dark now for us. There are some setting options available which gives you option of whether you want to do it with your own pace. Want to allow participants to respond according to their own pace. Do you want to filter the responses, which is usually recommended? Do you want to moderate what responses are coming, and based on that you want to go ahead? You can do that also. So this is how it goes ahead. Now if I want to add one more slide, you can see. Okay, it says you have reached the maximum number of questions for Mentimeter free and you need to upgrade. So I can't add it, so no problem. We'll restrict ourselves to the first two slides itself, right? So let's see how it looks to the audience. So for that, you need to just click on the present slide. And the moment you click on the present slide, you will see on top there is an option of menti.com and the code, so which participants will utilize it. So I'm using my mobile phone to check menti.com, and I will enter the code on the moment you will click on it, you will get menti.com on the device or on the tab, next tab, and you will have to enter 78750657. And the moment I'm reaching there, you can see I can respond now. I have responded once. You can see the moment you respond, there are going to be options, and you can change the slide for the participants. You can go to the next slide so that next question will be visible to the participants. And now terms related to IPL, we can say Mumbai. You can see the moment people start entering, you will see all the details here. Cricket. You can see the responses which have come multiple times are highlighted. Great. You can see money has been highlighted multiple times responses, and this way participants will keep on responding, and you can see how many of them have responded here. So this is how the Mentimeter works. So let's go back to our basic structure. This was the base where we started with Mentimeter, and here we are. So now if you don't want to go to the paid version and you want to use it again, so what you can do is you can delete this slide. So let's say you don't want to use this slide, you can delete it, and then again you'll get an option of adding a slide, and you can utilize it for different purposes, different scope. So this was all about Mentimeter, the basics of Mentimeter. Try it out, and I guess this is very interesting to use in the real time. Try it out in your presentation and do let me know. That's it from my end. Thank you and have a great time. Bye bye.